Work From Home Wednesday, we're gonna be doing a summer corn soup. I know that technically it's still spring, but because it's so hot outside and it feels like summer in Atlanta, I thought, well, we might as well go for it. So here we go. So I'm sauteing some onion, about a half an onion and maybe a quarter of a red bell pepper. While my corn is cooking, I've just kind of boiled it on the side. I've also got here some potato. I chopped up one potato. And that's because I've heard that there are vegan versions of this and they incorporate potato for that thicker consistency. I've added the potatoes and some celery flakes. And I've added maybe about half a cup of vegetable broth. Basically, I'm trying to get that potato tender. My bell pepper and my onion are fine, but I just want the potato to be easy to blend in. Now, the beauty of Wifey Work From Home Wednesday is that you get to see me do the stupid things as well. I couldn't find my big pan that would actually, or pot that would allow me to cover the corn completely in water. So here I am makeshift boiling it. So I had boiled the corn on the cob and now I don't have like a shucker. So I just honestly scrape the corn off with a knife. So I had coated my veggies in kind of a roux, flour and butter mixture, but the potatoes really haven't softened, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some vegetable broth to allow it to simmer a bit and soften. I'm putting the mixture into my food processor. Honestly, in the past, I've even used the immersion blender, the hand blender, and that works fine too. Hey guys, one thing I want to mention about that recipe, I wouldn't exactly call it the healthiest. It is full of the carbs with the corn and potato, but at least it's healthier than most chowders.